Hello all guys, welcome to my first video. In this video, I'm going to teach about the Game Guardian basics. Before going into the course, let me introduce myself to you. I am Vasant, yes, studied BCSC and currently pursuing MA Political Science in IGNOU Delhi. Without talking much, we can go into the video. At first, let me give a brief introduction about what is file modding versus memory hacking. File modding means we are physically modding the file and giving the application to the users. For example, let's take you take a PUBG mod application and that we are modding the file and we are providing the file application to the user, which is called as file modding. In that there are several processes. We first will unpack and decompile and we will do static analysis and we will do a modified version and we will do a permanent modification, which means wherever the APK is given, they can use that modified APK. While in case of memory hacking, the concept is completely different. In memory hacking, we will modify the processes. The process is running inside the memory. We will change that. For example, we will install the original application, we will scan the memory and we will find the values and we will do the temporary modification. These things which we can say like a loader, how a PUBG loader works. This thing we can say like how the PUBG mod APK works. And after that, we will see the basic principle in memory hacking. Actually, in every memory hacking, there is only one basic principle. We will scan the memory, and after scanning, we will find the encrypted value or a normal value. In this case, we will take that as a normal value. This is just a basic example. So I am giving as a normal value and we will find a game value and we will try to change that value and we will again refine that value. After that, we will play the game and we will do what the value which we want, we will completely modify it. That's the basic principle in memory hacking. And the memory layout. This is the very important concept. We all think that the 23 will be stored as a text file. No, it's not like that. If a value is inside the memory means it has a definite layout. For example, there will be offset and after that there will be a value. After that there will be the variable which stores that. This is the general memory layout of the application. Now we can see this in a real time. To see this in real time, first we need to install our virtual. In case you have a router device, you can use Game Guardian without using virtual. If you don't have the router device means, I have given the channel link in the description. You can download the virtual from there. First, let us install the virtual. After installing, we need to install the Game Guardian. After that, we need to install the test APK. Here, this is like a game. Assume this is a game. We will do some things in that. After that, we can apply this in the real game. We will see that in the further videos. First, let us install this. Now, let us open our virtual. And we need to give the permission to display our other apps. This is given to Game Guardian and the storage will be. After giving this, let us first start the Game Guardian. In the Game Guardian, we need to create this as a service. If it crashes, try to restart the application and the game guardian is started. Here you can see the every process which is running inside the virtual. In case if you are root a device, you will see the all the processes which are on inside your mobile. After that, let us start the game. Game means this is an example of the game which we done to explain how it works. After that, now we need to select the process. This is the process which is running inside the memory. Let us select this and let us try to increase the score. Take this as an example of playing the game. Now the score is 17. The first thing which we need to do is what are the options which we're going to use. We need to learn about that. This is the search option. After clicking search, you can see values type. Here, type is the most important thing. Here, see you can see D word, float, double word, byte, keyword, XOR. These things are called as data types. Data types which represent a number or a variable or a text, etc. Here, D word means it is in the range of -21474836482 4294967 It will be in this range. And float means lower than that, double is much lower than that, word is lower than that, and byte is the lowest among these, and keyword and X are lower than that. Now let's select the word. We're going to select each and every numbers which we know in the process. Now we selected the word. Now we need to enter 17. 17 which I entered because here see the score value is 17. Here you can see the score value is 17. So now we're going to search 17. After searching 17, we found that 1935 values occur in memory as 17. After that, we need to increase the score. Let's increase to 22. After that, we need to enter 22 and we need to give refine, which means we are filtering out the values which changed as 22 from 70. Now we got certain set of values. Now let's increase to 26. Now we see all the values are being increased to 26 except one value. Now the thing which we need to do is we need to deselect all the values and we need to do a trial and error by freezing each values. Let us select this and we freeze this. Freeze means it will not allow the value to be changed. After freezing, we need to test whether the value is increasing or not. The value is being increased, so this is not the offset. After that, we need to select the second one. After that, we need to freeze this too. We need to see whether it is increasing or not. It is being increased, so this is also not a correct offset. We need to select the third one and we need to freeze that too. Wow, we got that value. See here, when I click to increase score, it is not being increased, which means the third offset is the offset which stores the score in the memory. Now we are going to increase this. For example, let us take the first value, change change to 100. Take the second value, change to 100. Take the third value, change to 100. Now we no need these because we found this these are the offsets, and when we click to increase scope, wow, we increase to 101 without touching. This thing is done in the memory. Now this is about the basics of memory hacking with Game Guardian. In every Game Guardian course you can see this video because this is absolute basics. In further videos, we will see much more advanced topics. We will learn about pointers. We will learn how to use this technique in a real-time game. We will learn about how to create a Lua script which does this thing automatically. Do subscribe my channel and do follow us in the Telegram. Stay tuned. Thank you guys. Bye.